All right, hey there, guys. All right, so we're going to make a foldable converting fractions to decimals to percents and back. Um, just stop it whenever you need to make your foldable and start it back up whenever you start going through the examples, okay? So you got your piece of paper, laying it long ways. If you'll fold it in half, okay, and then open it back up. And then take each side and meet it in the middle. And what you're going to create is a trifold. Okay. And then once you have your trifold, you're going to create a fold, like 3 sections. To where when you open it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Okay, and then just cut here only. Do not cut the back side. Okay, so you're only cutting the flaps. I'm just going to tear them quickly so that I can keep going. Okay. So we are going to do fraction to decimal, decimal to percent, and fraction to percent. And then percent to decimal, decimal to fraction, and percent to fraction. Okay. All of these we are going to write some words like what the steps are, and then we're going to use 1/4 as an example for all of them. Okay, so on the first one, you use the fraction to divide using A over B. Okay? Zoom that in so that y'all can see what I'm writing a little bit easier maybe. Okay? What that's going to look like is if you have the fraction 1/4. Okay? Remember, this is A over B. A goes inside. So we have 1 divided by 4. Okay? Yes, these should look funny to y'all. Y'all are not used to doing this. 4 cannot go into 1, so we put a 0. Decimal. Do not forget the decimal. Put it straight up top so you don't forget. And then you can put your 0 inside. Now, can 4 go into 10? Yes. 2 times, which is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Add another 0, bring it down. 4 goes into 20 5 times. And we're at 0, so we are done. So 1/4 is the same as 0.25 or 25 hundredths. Okay? And remember, just stop when you need to. Now to go from a decimal to a percentage. Okay, so we're going to change 0.25 to a percentage now. So you take the decimal and move 2. Only 2. 2 is the magic number. Not 1, not 3. 2 places to the right. The reason it is 2 places is because this is the same as multiplying times 100. Okay, that's what it means. So this is 0.25. So 0.25. You take the decimal, move it 2 places to the right, and you add your percent sign. So this is 25%. Okay. All right, to take a fraction, from a fraction to a percent, you would just follow all the above steps. You can't really go from fraction to percentage without taking that middle step of finding what the decimal is. You could do, so we're going to write two things on this one. You can either follow steps above and do fraction to decimal 2%. Okay. Or you can do what we did in our other one. In our video from this morning, and you can do make denominator 100 and do same to numerator. So on this one, to get 100 on the bottom, this would be times 25. So times 25, so this is 25%, because we know that percentages are out of 100. Okay. All right, let's go over here. Percent to decimal. So this time we have 25%. Okay. So on this one, you're going to move decimal to, once again, is the magic number, 2 places to the left. Okay, so this is, and don't forget to remove the percent sign. So we're going to take this off. The decimal's right here because this is a whole number. This is 25, and we're going to go backwards 1, 2. So this is 0.25. Okay. Decimal to fraction. Say the decimal in correct terms. Okay, and then right, and simplify the fraction. Okay, and what I mean by that is I'm going to say this. This is 25 hundredths. Okay, so that's 25 hundredths. And then we always simplify fractions. So this simplifies by 25. So this is 1/4. Okay. This is your key. This is the one that people struggle with the most because they forget to say it as math terms. Okay. And then to do a percent to a fraction, right? Percent number over 100 and simplify. Okay, this is the easiest one because this tells you it's out of 100. It is a percentage, so it is always out of 100. So this is 25 out of 100. And once again, we simplify because it is a fraction. So this is still 1/4. Okay. If you have glue, go ahead and glue it into your journal. If not, make sure you glue it tomorrow. Do not forget, you want to have this. This will help you with everything for this unit. And I will see y'all tomorrow.